Differentiation Part 8.
Hi hello everyone. For this session we will discuss few problems. So see the first problem. X power y is equals to y power x is given. Then dy by dx is y into x log y minus y divided by x into y log x minus x. So see the solution. Given x power y is equals to what? Y power x. So let us consider u is equals to x power y and v is equals to y power x. So this is equation 1. Now equation 1 is equals to u is equals to, so differentiate with respect to x. So what you get, du by dx is equals to what? dv by dx. Okay. Now first consider u is equal to x power. Consider u is equals to x to the power of it in the form of f of x whole power g of x. So clearly f of x is equal to base x and g of x is equals to what? Power, that is y. Now find derivative. F dash of x is equals to what? Derivative of x1 and g dash of x. Derivative of y is dy by dx1. Okay. Now you know that dy by dx of f of x whole to the power of g of x formula. So what is this formula? F of x whole power g of x into f dash x by f of x into g of x plus g dash of x into log f of x. So this is the derivative of f of x whole power g of x formula. Now see here. Therefore du by dx is equals to what? F of x whole power g of x, that is x to the power of y, into f dash x by f of x 1 by x into g of x, that is y, plus g dash of x, that is dy by dx, into log f of x, that is log x. So this is equation 1. Now again consider v. See here, consider v, that is equals to y power x. So clear what is f of x? F of x is equals to y and g of x is equals to x. So find the derivative of f of x and g of x. So first derivative of f of x, that is dy by dx, and derivative of g of x is 1. Now therefore dv by dx is equals to what? F of x whole power g of x, that is y power x, into f dash x by f of x. So what is that? dy by dx by y, that is 1 by y dy by dx, into g of x, that is x, plus g dash of x into log f of x, that is log y. Okay, clear? This is equation 4. Now substitute equation 3 and equation 4 in equation 2. See here, substitute 3 and 4 in 2. So what is du by dx? This one. X power y into y by x plus dy by dx log x. This is equals to this one. Y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. So clearly x power y and y power x both are equal. So clearly these two terms are get cancelled since from equation 1. Okay. Now see here remaining terms on LHS y by x plus dy by dx log x This is equals to what? X by y dy by dx. X by y dy by dx plus log y. Now here send this one left side and this one right side. So then it becomes, here dy by dx is coming both terms. It is log x minus x by y into dy by dx. This is equals to log y minus y by x. So this is what? Y log x minus x divided by y dy by dx is equals to x log y minus y by x. Now what is dy by dx? So from this dy by dx is equals to y into x log y minus y divided by x into this one. That is y log x minus x. So this is the required answer. See the next problem, x power y plus y power x equals to a power b. Then find dy by dx value. Okay. See a solution. Given x power y plus y power x is equals to what? A power b. This is equation 1. So let us consider u is equal to x power y and v is equals to y power x. Now substitute u and v in equation 1. Here equation 1 implies what is x power y? U. So u plus v is equals to what? A power b. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what you get? Du by dx plus dv by dx. So derivative constant to 0. This is equation 2. Now clearly we need to find derivative of u and derivative of v. So you know the values of u and v. So first consider u value. So here consider u is equal to x power y. So clearly it in the form of f of x whole power g of x. So what is f of x value? F of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to what? Y. So find the derivative of these functions. So first derivative of f of x. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of g of x. So you know the derivative of y is dy by dx. So you know that d by dx of f of x whole power g of x form. This is what? F of x whole power g of x into f dash x by f of x into g of x plus g dash of x into log f of x. Okay. So this is the formula of derivative of f of x whole power g of x. Now using this formula you can find du by dx and dv by dx. Now see here first one, du by dx, f of x whole power g of x. What is that? X power y into f dash x by f of x, that is 1 by x into what? G of x plus g dash of x into what? Log f of x, that is log x. Similarly consider, this is equation 3. Similarly consider v is equals to y power x. So v is equals to y power x, f of x is equals to what? Y and g of x is equals to x. So find the derivatives. Derivative of y dy by dx and derivative of x, that is 1. Okay. Now substitute in the formula. So that is dv by dx is equals to what? F of x whole power g of x, that is y power x into f dash x by f of x, this one, 1 by y dy by dx into g of x, that is x, plus g dash of x into log f of x. So 1 into log f of x is what? Y. So this is equation 4. Now substitute equation 3, equation 4 in equation 2. So simply equation 2 implies du by dx, this one, x power y into y by x, write as simply x inverse y. 1 by x write as x inverse. Next, dy by dx log x plus y power x. 1 by y write as y inverse. Y inverse into x dy by dx plus log y. What? 0. Now multiplying inside. So what you get? Base are equal, add the powers. X power y minus 1 into what? Y plus x power y log x into dy by dx. X power y log x dy by dx plus, again base are equal, add the powers. Y power x minus 1 into x dy by dx plus y power x log y is equals to 0. See here in both terms dy by dx is common. See here what you get? Dy by dx is common. You will get y power x minus 1 x plus x power y log x. So send the remaining values right side. Then it becomes minus of, write these two values, that is y into x to the power of y minus 1 plus y power x log y. Okay. Now write dy by dx value. Therefore dy by dx is equals to what? Minus of yx or y minus 1 plus y power x log y. So divide by x into y power x minus 1 plus x power y log x. So this is the required answer. See the question number 3. So y is equals to given and find dy by dx value. It is 2 root a square plus x square. See our first one. Y is equal to x into square root of a square plus x square plus a square into log of x plus square root of a square plus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. See here dy by dx is equals to, so this is u and this is v. See here d by dx of uv, that is u into v dash plus v into u dash. See here u into derivative of this, x into derivative of square root of a square plus x square. Simply write square root of a square plus x square whole dash plus v into u dash, that is square root of a square plus x square into x dash. Now again d by dx of square root of x formula 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Now second one is what? Second term a square into derivative of log x. See what is d by dx of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by this total term into 1 by x plus square root of a square plus x square. But in place of x, x plus square root of a square plus x square is there. Again we have to do internal derivative of this. That is x plus square root of a square plus x square. Okay. Now see here this one. X into derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root a square plus x square into internal derivative of inside of root, that is a square plus x square whole dash plus square root of a square plus x square, derivative of x 1 plus a square by x plus square root of a square plus x square. So derivative of this, so derivative of x 1, again derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root a square plus x square into internal derivative of a square plus x square. Now here this is x by 2 root a square plus x square, internal derivative of a square 0 and derivative of x square 2x, so 2 get cancelled, plus square root of a square plus x square plus a square by x plus square root of a square plus x square into 1 plus 1 by 2 root a square plus x square into derivative of a square is 0, derivative of x square is 2x. So 2 get cancelled. Now this is x into x, x square by square root of a square plus x square plus square root of a square plus x square plus a square by x plus square root of a square plus x square into, what is the LCM? Square root of a square plus x square. Square root of a square x plus x square into 1. You will get square root of a square plus x square plus 1 into x. X. These both terms are get cancelled. So clearly again LCM is what? Square root of a square plus x square. Here x square, square root of a square plus x square into square root of a square plus x square. That is a square plus x square plus a square. So this is 2 times of a square plus x square divided by square root of a square plus x square. So from this dy by dx is what? 2 into. So this can be written as root a square plus x square into root a square plus x square. 1 root a square plus x square is get cancelled. You will get 2 root a square plus x square. So this is the derivative of a given function. See the next one. Question number 4. F of x is given, then f dash x is what? A plus b cos x whole inverse. Here both a and b are positive and x lies between 0 to 1. Okay. Now see here, given f of x is equals to a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 cos inverse of a cos x plus b divided by a plus b cos x. Now find the derivative of this function. See here, you know that d by dx of cos inverse x. So what is the derivative of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x. So this is the derivative of cos inverse x. Now find the derivative of this. F dash of x into, this is constant, right, as it is a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 into d by dx of cos inverse a cos x plus b divided by a plus b cos x. Now this is equals to a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So this is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. X is this one. A cos x plus b divided by a plus b cos x whole square. But in place of x, a cos x plus b by a plus b cos x. Again we have to do internal derivative of this. That is into a cos x plus b by a plus b cos x whole dash. So here this is equals to minus a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 divided by this can be written as square root of what is LCM? A plus b cos x whole square. So numerator a plus b cos x whole square minus a cos x plus b whole square. So write a plus b cos x whole square minus a cos x plus b whole square. Okay. Into it in the form of derivative of u by v. See, we know that d by dx of u by v is what? V u dash minus u v dash by t square. So we have to apply this formula for this. So clearly v into derivative of v. So what is v? A plus b cos x into derivative of numerator, that is a cos x plus b whole dash minus u into v dash. What is u? A cos x plus b into a plus b cos x whole dash divided by v square. It is a plus b cos x whole square. Okay. So clearly it goes to numerator. Then it becomes minus a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is what? A plus b cos x. Because of square root get cancelled. So divide by square root of, simplify this. First one, a square plus b square, that is b square cos square x plus 2ab cos x. And this one, minus a square cos square x plus b square plus 2ab cos x. Plus 2ab cos x minus 2ab cos x get cancelled. And this one, a plus b cos x into, so derivative of this, a into derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of constant 0. So write as this minus a cos x plus b into derivative of a is g, b into derivative of cos x minus sin x divided by a plus b cos x whole square. One a plus b cos x get cancelled. Okay. See here next continuation. This is equals to minus a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 divided by. So this is square root of. So write first constants a square minus b square. See here, b square cos square x minus a square cos square x. In that minus cos square x is common. You will get a square minus b square. Okay. Into this one, minus a sin x into a. That is minus a square sin x. Next, b cos x into minus a sin x, that is minus ab sin x cos x. And this one, minus into minus plus ab sin x cos x, b sin x into b square sin x. So divided by a plus b cos x. Okay. Now this is equals to minus a square minus b square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 divided by, in that root of a square minus b square is common. So what you get? Square root of 1 minus cos square x. Your minus ab sin x cos x plus ab sin x cos x get cancelled. In that minus sin x is common. You will get a square minus b square divided by a plus b cos x. Now this is what your power is 1. 1 minus 1 by 2. You will get 1 by 2. Here minus into minus plus. That is a square minus b square minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Divided by. This can be written as a square minus b square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Square root of 1 minus cos square x sin x into sin x by a plus b cos x. Sin x get cancel. These two terms are get cancel. Therefore, dy by dx is what? 1 by a plus b cos x. This can be also written as a plus b cos x whole inverse. So this is the derivative of a given function. So the next one, here two functions are given, f of x and g of x. Then f dash x is equal to what? G dash of x if b less than x less than alpha. Okay. So see here, first one. What is f of x? F of x is equal to sin inverse of square root of x minus beta by alpha minus beta. And what is g of x? Tan inverse of square root of x minus beta by alpha minus x. Now send sin inverse left side, then becomes sin f of x is equal to what? Square root of x minus beta by square root of alpha minus beta. And this one, tan g of x is what? Square root of x minus beta by square root of alpha minus x. See here, you know that sin theta is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay. So from this we can find the adjacent side. See here, you know that adjacent side square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square minus opposite square. So this is hypotenuse square, square root of alpha minus beta whole square minus opposite square, square root of x minus beta whole square root becomes. So this is alpha minus beta minus x plus beta minus beta get cancelled. So clearly adjacent side is what? Square root of alpha minus x. Okay. So therefore the opposite side and the adjacent side. Therefore tan f of x is what? Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is opposite side? Square root of x minus beta divided by adjacent side square root of alpha minus x. This is what? Tan f of x. So tan f of x is equal to square root of x minus beta by square root of alpha minus x value is what? Tan g of x. So write tan g of x. So here tan f of x and tan g of x are equal. Therefore f of x is equal to what? G of x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We will get f dash of x is equal to what? G dash of x. So this is the required answer. So try to solve these two questions. This is similar to previous questions, and this one substitution method. So here you have to substitute x is equal to tan theta. Because of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta formula is tan 2 theta. This is tan 3 theta. This is tan 4 theta. So clearly tan inverse term get cancel. 2 theta plus 3 theta. 5 theta minus 4 theta. Theta is what? Tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. On next session we will discuss more concept.